Hey guys, it's Angela from Cake Angel. I just wanted to pop on and say hi and also show you something exciting that's just arrived in the mail today. So you may recall from some of my posts over the summer that I took part in the World Cookie Summit, and as part of that I won a 6-month subscription to the Cookiers, which is a great community on Facebook for cookiers that are looking to grow their businesses and learn all the tips and tricks of the industry. So something that I paid for was the monthly Cookier box, and the first one has just arrived. So I figured you guys might like to take a look when I unbox it. So let's have a look right now. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to try and do this with one hand, so bear with me if the video gets a little bit shaky. So we've got the box. And this has come all the way from Utah, so big shout out to Mitzi for sending these to everyone that ordered them. Let's take a look and see what's inside. Now, there have been some videos posted already with spoilers and pictures, but I've done my best to kind of keep away from them so I could get a surprise, the same as all of you watching this. Let's see what's inside. Okay, look at this. Oh my God, I love fall. I do too, actually. It's probably my favorite season. I love all the colors of the fall. So we have a little note from Mitzi, just explaining the cookie box. So there's some cutters in here by the looks of it. So we'll pop that to one side. Oh, this is cute. Look at this wrapping. Oh my goodness. This is adorable. And teal too, my favorite color. So this is awesome. So we have a cookie meeting tomorrow. We're going to find out what all of these cookie cutters are for. So if you have any ideas, don't forget to pop your ideas in the comments for me. So we have this one. Oh, this one I can tell straight away. It looks like a raven. Really nice edge on these cutters as well. So they're awesome. Oh, this is cute. We have a cute spatula. You can never have enough of these when you're a cookier. Perfect for mixing up your icing. I like these too. So you have a nice little bag of sprinkles. You see all the colors there? Really pretty. And we have, oops. So you have a nice rectangle cutter. So I wonder what this is for. I guess we could do maybe some framework with it like we did for the last cookie challenge. But that's always a useful shape. You can do so much with those basic shapes. And this one looks like a gourd. Can you see the detail in it there? Beautiful. And what else do we have? So, oh, this is cute. So any cookier that works with royal icing has probably either got one of these or something like it. So these are cookier scribes. And I do believe Mitzi said that she handmade all of these. So these are adorable. Look at all the beads on here. Really cute. So I can't wait to use that in my videos. And then we have a paintbrush. Again, something that's really useful when you're a cookier for painting details on with your food colorings and adding details to your icing if you do brush embroidery as well. And a color palette, which is perfect. So this is great if you're using food colorings and you want to kind of wet the color down and paint with it. So you could add vodka to your food coloring, mix it up in here, and then you could probably throw this in the dishwasher then to wash it too, which is just perfect. So super, super happy with that. They look great, don't they? Let's have a quick look again at everything. So we have our 4 cutters. I'm intrigued by this one. I'm kind of thinking this is some kind of fall squash or pumpkin as well. I wonder if you could turn it around, you could do some kind of cool Halloween head with it too, but we'll wait and see. And we have our spatula, beautiful scribe, paintbrush, and our sprinkles. So there you go, guys. That's the contents of the first Cookiers box. And if you want to find out more information about the Cookiers, you can just look up the hashtag _Cookiers on Instagram. And I'll post the link in the comments as well, so you can take a look if you're interested in joining. That's great. Thanks for watching, everyone. And I'll share what I make with these once I get some time to make things with them. Okay, take care. Thanks for watching.